Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to revolve. We can create for the new part and I will choose the standard in millimeter. The next, create 2D sketch and I will choose the top plane. So for the example sketch, I will draw with the line tools. Okay, from these points, move to the top here. And then you can click to apply. After that, click finish sketch. And the next, if you want to revolve this sketch, you can click the revolve tools and will be show for the revolutions properties here. So for profile, you can select at this face, it will be automatically select. And then for the axis, like you can click at this axis. So it will be revolve the sketch like this. Or you can change again for the axis by clicking the X buttons in the axis. And then I will click at this point. So it will be revolved into the selected axis for the center. You can click again to cancel and I will click at this point to revolve. Now if you don't, you can click the OK button. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to revolve.